Hi, this is Luke Russell here with Trade Algo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency, and it causes them to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Here at Trade Algo, our AI is able to go through and identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities with the most unusual signals of bullish volume, and the same applies to the trending downside of the equation in the small, mid, and large cap spaces, so people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation at the catastrophic drop of SIVB today, down nearly 50%, losing almost half of its value. Well, are there really any surprises? If there's a 3,500% increase in institutional bearish volume, are we shocked that the stock is dropping as much as it is? Check this out, guys. Typically, there's only $68 million of the stock traded on a day-by-day average. Today, it was nearly $2.5 billion. And on top of that, look at the presence of put options in the marketplace. 93% consuming $77 million driven towards put options. Puts. Look at all of these put options that are coming across SIVB. Look at all these massive put options going through. Well, it's important to get access to information early because, as you can see, SIVB has dropped nearly 60% of its value over the course of the past couple of days. Now, if you were relying on retail news or information or other outlets, whatever it may be, maybe you heard about SVB losing more than 50% of its value, and that was today, Thursday, March the 9th at 2:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If we go down to the chart at 2:33 p.m., that's getting the information all the way over here. Way too late at that point, guys. It's already lost 60% of its value. What you need is the information early. Check out how by following private exchange networks using next generation AI, on March the 7th, our AI picks up on SIVB with a 158% increase in institutional bearish volume. The stock is at $264 per share. Let's see what it's at right now, $98. So what you need is access to the data and information up here when it looks like there's no volume being traded whatsoever, right? Because then you can see the retail market is trying to do things over here after it's already dropped a significant amount. So when the stock is over here at about $264, that's a 63% drop. Now, if you had done options on SIVB, I want you to see the March the 7th alert on the main dashboard, and then again, check it out today on SIVB on the trending downside of the equation. You can see how at 9:31, more than 5,000 times the average amount of bearish volume is identified, and that was still when it was at 162. You had plenty of time to enter into that trade. Now, if you had done options on SIVB, the options were the stock was at about $260. So let's say, for example, you did something a little bit out of the money. Instead of 260, let's say, for example, you had done the $240 put option. Let's just go ahead and take a look here. We're going to go to the 15-minute chart, and we're going to take a look at both the 7th and the 9th. So on the 15-minute chart, this right here is March the 7th. Options were an average of $1.28. We have it at $1.36 right now. That's a 9,800% return. 9,800%. Let's say you did something a little bit drastically farther out of the money, or let's say you didn't react to it until today. And that's when you finally got in. The stock was at $160, and let's say you missed out when it was on the 7th, and then you finally hopped in today, and let's say you went all the way down to, $125 on the put options. Well, here you go, guys. At the very beginning of the day, these options were only 68 cents. That's still a 4,500% return. Stop getting information late and get in institutional grade data where AI curates it, and you can be vastly ahead of the game because it wasn't just SIVB. We don't have time for too many others. However, we do want to show you maybe one or two more examples. Let's take a look at JD here, which pops up with a 640% increase in institutional bearish volume. Our AI is picking up on that because of these large massive amount of bearish volume signals in private exchanges at 9:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 28 times the average amount of bearish volume is identified there. And I also want you guys to see Sava because we're going to go through that one here in just a second as well. So JD and Sava. Let's take a look at the options chain on JD. And look at the way those put options played out, guys. Huge triple-digit winners. 400%, 280%, 360%. We had clients sharing success stories with us where they were saying, hey, looks like I'm done for the day. That was easy, 420% on JD. Now, to finish it off, I do want to show you guys here Sava on our trending down small cap space, 333% increase. You guys saw the 931 timestamp earlier. Let's go take a look and see if maybe you had done Sava instead. We could go through many, many more opportunities. We just don't have the time for all of them, guys. So you can see a huge list of triple digit winners here. Let's say you had done the $25 put option. It's an over 300% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at Trade Algo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.